If you're looking for a commercial lease agreement for New South Wales, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Ian from RP Emery. All of our easy-to-use lease template kits have been drafted to the highest standard by Australian lawyers in plain English, so they're easy to understand. Commercial property leases fall into two categories: those that are covered by the New South Wales Retail Leases Act of 1994 and those that are not. If the property involved is a retail shop, then it falls under the retail leasing legislation, and you'll need other specific retail leasing documents which you will find on our retail leasing pages. Now, on the other hand, if you are leasing commercial premises such as offices, warehouses or industrial property, then this is the kit you need. I'm going to take you on a little tour of our agreement. The first page is for informational purposes only and covers important instructions on how to register your lease with the appropriate authority. If you would like to take a closer look at the issues we cover, such as those in this table of contents, simply hit the pause button below at any time. This commercial property lease template kit sets out the terms and conditions of a leasing arrangement between the owner and the tenant. As you can see, it's an editable MS Word document, which makes it very flexible and user-friendly. The schedule at the front of the lease template sets out all the moving parts or the specific details of your lease arrangement. The process is really quite simple. All you have to do is follow the user's guide and insert all the things you know that make this lease specific to your circumstances. For instance, who is the landlord or the owner of the premises? Is the landlord an individual or a company? It may even be a trust, like a self-managed super fund. For example, if you're leasing back a commercial property from your self-managed super fund. This commercial lease template is a popular choice with self-managed super fund trustees because it satisfies the requirements of the Australian Tax Office and your auditor. Next, insert the details of your tenant, a guarantor if applicable, and so forth. Important optional items such as rent reviews, options to renew, tenants' outgoings, etc. are all covered. If you don't need them, then insert not applicable. It's that easy. If you get stuck, simply refer to the user's guide where you'll find useful information on each section and each clause of the agreement. And remember, you can always call our office for support on 1800 608 088. It can't be emphasised enough that a solid commercial lease lays the foundation for the ongoing relationship between you and your tenants. Typically, engaging a lawyer to draft a single lease will cost you anywhere between $600 and $1,000. Now compare that to the $79.95 you'll pay for this professionally drafted kit, and you get to use it over and over again. The kit includes everything you need to create a professional commercial lease agreement that will protect your investment and shield you from potential liability. You'll get a professionally drafted plain English lease template, easy to follow user's guide, plus a tenant's application form, a commercial premises inspection report, and our unrivaled customer support. So if you want the protection of a high quality commercial property lease for New South Wales without shelling out hundreds in legal fees, click the Buy Now button below this video. You'll be surprised how easy this is and thrilled with the time and money you'll save. There's no need to wait. These documents are available for immediate download via our secure e-commerce system. You can get started on your commercial property lease for New South Wales in just a few minutes. Simply click the Buy Now button below this video.